Hello again, everyone from Curry Senior Vitality. This is Josie with Community Tech Network. And today I'm going to continue the topic of sharing photos, and we'll look at another way of sharing photos. So in the previous part, I showed how to use Apple's shared albums to share photos with other Apple users. And today we'll look at Google Drive. And just so you know, on YouTube, there is another lesson 20, which goes into even more detail on how to use Google Drive. But today we'll just kind of do a quick review of that. So the Google Drive app, let's see. Looks like this. If you haven't installed it yet, you will have to download it from the App Store. Google Drive. So this is the app you're looking for. And when you first install it and open it up, you will be asked to sign into your Google account. And for that, you can use your Curry email address and password. All right, so next, once you have that all set up, installed the app, and you signed in, let me just go over how to add photos from your iPad to Google Drive. So at the bottom here, you've got these different sections. Right now we're in the Files section, so this is showing previous folders that I've created. And if I want to create a new folder, I just need to tap the plus sign and create a folder. And just like in the shared album, you can create a name for your folder. Let's see, a weekend trip. Create. And then once a folder is created, you'll see I have no photos yet, but next I can tap the plus sign again and upload. So again, uploading is taking something that's saved on your iPad and adding it to Google Drive. So photos and videos. And this will give you different categories of photos that you have on your iPad. So I'll just go into recents and select a couple. So you'll tap all the photos you want to add and upload. And it may take a minute or so for those photos to finish uploading. And one advantage of Google Drive is that it works across any kind of device. It's not iPad specific or Apple specific. You could share this with anyone as long as they have a Google account. They'll be able to access all these photos. So now that my photos are uploaded, let me show you how to share this folder with another person. So back on my Files page, I'll find that folder that I want to share, tap those three dots, and share. And from here, I just need to type in the email address or the name of the person I want to share with. And again, if they're already in your contacts, that'll make it a little bit easier. Notice here, you have some options of what level of access that person has. So an editor can organize, add, and edit. If you don't want the person to have that ability, you would want to make them a viewer or a commenter. So if they're a commenter, they can add comments, but they can't actually change any of the documents. Below here, you can add a message if you'd like some pictures. From the weekend, and tap on this blue arrow to send. And you may be given an option like this. Are you sure you want to share with this email address? Okay, so I want to show you next what it looks like if someone has shared something with you through Google Drive. So this happens by email. So I'll open up my Mail app and show you. So earlier I just shared a folder from my phone with this account. So the message looks something like this: folder shared with you. That's the name of the folder. And this is the message. So if this was a person or an email address you didn't recognize, don't open that. But if it's somebody you do know, go ahead and open. And so this is the folder that that was shared with me.